Hello students, I hope you all are fine. Today I will start English Literature of class 4th. Now we will start from chapter number 1. Chapter number 1 is My Dog. It is a poem. Now read the poem. Have you seen a little dog anywhere about? A raggy dog, a shaggy dog who's always looking out for some fresh mischief which he thinks he really ought to do. He is very likely at this minute biting someone's shoe. If you see that little dog, his tail up in the air, a wiggly tail, a curly tail, for any other dog he meets. A dog who doesn't care, not even for himself, then hide your mats and put your meat upon the topmost shelf. If you see that little dog barking at the car, a raggy dog, a shaggy dog with eyes like twinkling stars, just let me know, for thought he's bad as bad can be. Wouldn't change the dog for all the treasures of the sea. Now, these are the word meaning of this chapter and the exercise. Now, first come on the exercise. Question number A. Choose the correct options to complete the sentences. First, the poetess asks if anyone has seen her little dog. If the dog is nearby, please put your dash on the shelf. Shoes. The dog looks out for new mischief. The dog has eyes like stars. Dash doesn't care even for himself. Dog. B. True or false? First, the dog keeps searching for food. False. He keeps his curly tail high up in the air. True. The poetess has a mischievous dog. True. His eyes do not twinkle like the stars. False. C. Match the group of words in column A with the column B. Column A. The poetess has a raggy and a shaggy dog. The dog does not care for himself and other dogs. If you see the dog, hide your mats for him. The dog's eyes twinkle like the stars. The poetess would not exchange her dog for any amount of money. Now the fill-ups. First, the dog has got a curly tail. The dog is fond of barking at cars. At this moment, the dog is likely to be biting someone's shoes. The poetess knows that her dog is bad. Dog has eyes like twinkling stars. Now, question number E. Answer each question in one word. What is a little dog always looking out for? Mischief. Spelling of mischief: M-I-S-C-H-I-E-F. Mischief. Where has the dog put his tail? Up in the air. What is he likely to be doing at this moment? Biting shoes. B-I-T-I-N-G. Biting. S-H-O-E. Shoe. What does this little dog bark at? Car. Now, the last question is answer each question in one sentence. Question number 1. For whom does this little dog not care? And the answer is not in your copy. The answer is the dog did not care for himself. जो भी मैं आंसर बोल रही हूँ इनको अपनी कॉपी में भी नोट करें. And the answer of second question, what are the eyes of the dog compared to? And the answer is dog has eyes like twinkling stars. Question number 3, what kind of tail does this little dog have? The little dog have a curly tail. Question number 4. Why does the poetess call her dog Raggy and Shaggy? Because the dog was mischievous. And your homework is note all the one-word question and answer this question in your copy and with the word meaning, and also learn the poem. थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स, ये थी आपके फर्स्ट चैप्टर की रीडिंग विद एक्सरसाइज। नेक्स्ट वीडियो देखने के लिए इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को दबाएं। स्टे होम, स्टे सेफ।